Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo M4 CQBR. So this one has had a level 3 upgrade installed, which is obviously power spring, barrel and hop rubber. So the barrel being the Prometheus one, with hop rubbers being the Psionic R Hop kit on this one. And so yeah, just basically that. FPS wise, we're at 268 on 3.2s, so it's designed around 3.2s and shooting them really well. So we hope you enjoy that. Also separately, we've done a M16 stock conversion on this one. So so like it or hate it, it's unique, isn't it? So so we've done a small adapter in here, which you can see is this black bit here, which goes round. Obviously that supports it and keeps it nice and central while it's on there. Then we've also done a metal adapter here, which basically extends between here and here in terms of the distance. And then there's just basically a screw in there which clips it in and fixes it in. So obviously we've had quite a few inquiries about it since obviously we put the pictures on YouTube. And obviously we're not the only people that do obviously the M16 kits. They've been around for 10 years now. So obviously having regular access to them and making it easy to get and obviously low cost is obviously somewhat a difficult part of it, I guess, you know. So but like I said, we was asked to do it, so we did it. And we will try our best to make it a kit that will be on the new website when that launches, hopefully soon. So yeah, I'll just demonstrate the gun working. There you go. Cool. So hopefully you enjoy, and any problems, let me know. But otherwise, have fun. Thank you.